everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Everything you see here you can ask for to put on hold. Just remember to give us a few weeks to catalog the books and get them all processed, and items, I guess. We have 2 boxes this week, so it should be fun. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, lots of adults. Here, I'm going to turn mine this way. We have some Preston Child. Lori Forrest, The Shadow One. I think that's YA. Old Love Good Girls. That looks good. Beatrice Williams, Her Last Flight. Oh, the latest Christopher Moore book. We've got some beach reads, Mary Kay Andrews. The Woman of a Thousand Names. The Imperfects. Oh, new Stephen King. Oh, come on out. That looks creepy. Have You Seen Me? And then we have The Rural Diaries. Seduction. Heather's going to be excited. Lots of new books. The Wife Stalker. I'm just going to move this so they don't fall. The Girl from Widow Hills. Latest Susan Wiggs. And the last one is Say Yes to the Duke, Eloisa James. That should be a good one. All right, we are going to move to our next box. I hope there's some kid stuff in there for me. Okay, let's see what we have. Well, we got movies and some paperback. Mary Higgins Clark. What do we have? A movie. Avril Birch, Once a Day. That looks good. Not a movie, a CD.
She's local.
Ooh, local one. That looks cute. Just Mercy. Let's Go Luna, A Friendship from Around the World for the little kids. Oh, speaking of kids, the Big Fun Kids Cookbook. Yeah, always like a good cookbook. Another CD, Gordon Lightfoot. Yeah. Talking book, The Life and Afterlife of Harry Houdini. Ooh, that sounds good. By the Grace of God, another movie. What do we have in here? They're all together. The Cranes Are Flying. That looks interesting. Black Spruce. In the Aisle. And Working Woman. Looks like some award winners in there. We have an easy reader, Berenstain Bears. Cute bath time. It's adorable. We have nonfiction for kids, Powwow. A Bone Adventure book. Rot, The Bravest in the World. Ooh, that looks good and gross at the same time. Thunder Girls, their latest book. They are re-releasing the Babysitter Club updated, so that's exciting. We got one of those. Nancy Drew Clue book. The Music of What Happens. I think this is a YA book. The latest Pokemon adventure book. A giant graphic novel for the kids. Jewel Kingdom. Cute unicorns, always fun. Another Babysitter's Club. My Hero Academia is out, their latest one. Jewel Kingdom. Another Babysitter's Club, which I'm going to watch tonight on Netflix. Recipe for Persuasion.
Ooh.
That's a follow-up. What was the other one? They're all kind of Jane Austen based. Do you remember? Anyways, The Diamond House. The Library of Legends. Ooh, this looks spooky. Little Secrets. Another Babysitter's Club. The Tiger at Midnight. We've got a Hardy Boys Clue book. Lots to read for the kids. Undersea Mystery Club. Another Babysitter's Club. I must have ordered the series. Oh, and a new Cat in the Hat DVD. Misconduct of the Heart. We've got some Star Wars Easy Reader. Layla and the Bots. Goat in a Boat. Good rhyming. Frog Meets Dog. Another rhyming. We've got another Jewel Kingdom. Another My Hero Academia. Ooh, villains. Another Jewel Kingdom. Another Babysitter's Club. Bots. So that's the latest in that series. And we've got the next Sabrina novel based on the Netflix series, which I just heard was canceled. That's a bummer. Love and Other Crimes. I invited her in. Spooky. Ooh, Geronimo Stilton has got an updated look. That's new. And a few more movies. We've got 15 Frozen Tales, all those classic kid shows that we love. And another Cat in the Hat. This one's Yeah, No, Not Happening. Sounds good. Latest Rose Legacy novel for junior fiction. The latest Karen's King. Well, I don't know if it's latest. Could be old by now. Shutdown quarantine. We're just getting our books in now. Ooh, and Big Summer. Probably another good beach read. And there we go. Oh, no, wait, there's some hiding. Oh, latest Stephen King audiobook. And our last DVD is another Cat in the Hat. There we go, and that's our unboxing video. Again, you can ask for any of these books or items to be on hold. Just give us a couple weeks to get them out. Thank you.